let's do our weather today. It's sunny and warm. It's going to be pretty warm out for the whole month of November. It's going to be really windy out today, but remember, I film a day early, so I hope the wind settled down by tomorrow. So I'm going to add sunny here. And then for our weather chart, I'm going to add another little sunny tally mark. If tomorrow's sunny, it gets a lazy one, and that will put another bundle of 5. All right, days in school. Let's clear out our drawing. So now we're in school for 69 days. So look at our 9 on the end of a word. Remember, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. That is a 9. So 9 is an odd number. So since 69 ends with a 9, we always look at the end, the very last number, to see if it's odd or even. So this guy is most definitely odd. Okay, tens. We still have 6 tens. How many ones do we need? We need 9, so I'm going to bring this guy down. We'll have 9 ones. So here we are. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. 69 days in school. Let's add it to our chart over here. 69 days in school. Put my little dot. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. What will tomorrow be? Yeah, tomorrow will be 70. So then we'll have 7 10 frames filled. So that means when you have 7 of them filled, we get to just totally count by 10s, and we don't even have to worry about counting by 1s, and it goes a lot faster. So anytime you see a number that ends with 0, you can always count up to it only using 10s. Number of the day today, erase our drawing, is going to be 69. So let's find him on our hundreds chart. Here he is right here. So let's do 10 less and 10 more than 69. And at this point, we really should stop looking at our hundreds chart because we should be able to see our pattern. So we know when we're going up and down on our hundreds chart, the last number stays the same. So when you go up and down on your hundreds chart, the last number stays the same. So we're going to have number 9 on the end of this row. But the front number goes up or down by 1. So see what I mean? Look, here's 6. What comes before 6 when you count? Let me turn my phone off for just a minute. 5 comes before 6, right? What comes after 6 when you count? Yeah, it's 7. So it's just a pattern. 59, 69, 79. If we were going to keep going, it would be 89. And we're about to count by 10 starting with 9. So hold that thought. 1 less than 69 is 68. And 1 more is 70. So I know we've talked about this lots and lots and lots before, but when we count like this, all we're doing is looking for patterns. So let's start with 9, and we're going to count by 10s, starting with 9. Here we go. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109. If we want to keep going, it'd be 119, 129, 139, 149, and you get the point. So we counted by 10s, starting with 9. Look for your patterns. All right, and now we're going to skip down to our number bonds. So I want to do a number bond with you today. Let's get rid of yesterday's. Today's number bond is going to be 15. And we're going to take 10 and 5 for our parts. So 10 and 5 are 2 parts that we can add together to make 15. Let's do a fact family. So I'm going to erase these dudes. All right. So we've got 15 for our whole. That's the big number. That's the total number. Now we can take 15 and we can break it down into 10, and we can break it down to 5. So 10 and 5 are 2 parts that can come together and make 15. So these are like 2 little puzzle pieces that you can put together to make the whole, 15. When you add, you put the whole for your answer, the big number for your answer. When you subtract, you start with your whole or your big number. So when you subtract, you start with the whole, the big number. All right, now come back to our fact family adding. When you add on your fact family, you take your two parts or your two small numbers. You add them together, so 10 plus 5 makes 15. Then they can swap places, and 5 plus 10 can make 15. Then you come over here, you bebop over here, and you're doing subtracting. So now you're going to subtract one of the parts. So 15 take away 10 equals, you got it, 5, and then we just swap them. 15 take away 5 equals 10. And that, my friends, is all she wrote for our math chat today. So hop over, check out your Alpha Plus book. There's no new lesson today because we've pretty much, I think, learned all of our shapes. All that I ask you to do is maybe watch yesterday's math lesson and review those shapes again. You also have a paper waiting for you in Seesaw today where you have to label your shapes. So I'll be seeing how well you were paying attention to our shape lessons, and I'll be checking that out. So go do those things, and I'll see you later.